What's going on, everybody? So, I'm trying to do this whole YouTube thing again, you know, perfect opportunity for me, especially with the whole Evo blowing up, you know, destroying that rod. So, just trying to go through that build again. Just want to give you guys an opportunity to actually see the whole motor build itself and what I'm going with, you know, the head itself, the shore block, all the little nicks and stuff that I'm actually collecting along the way. You guys are actually going to see the shore block and the head itself. You know, they're all fully built by MAP. I haven't even opened them myself since being back from deployment. Just been collecting stuff here and there. So yeah, just bear with me. Check everything out as we go. Yo, what's up, everybody? I just wanted to start off this video by saying it's finally time. After 2 years almost with the Evo down, it's finally time to get it back on the road. Trying to get everything situated, especially with my hectic lifestyle, being in the military, deploying, moving non-stop. I finally found the time to be able to get this build going. If you guys are not too familiar, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are actually, I'm taking the motor build to DB Trans and Performance out here in SoCal. They do a lot of great work. I was recommended by a lot of people to them, and I'm excited just to get this show on the road. So stay tuned. Yeah, so a little bit about the build. I had MAP develop and build the whole package itself. I ended up going with the 2.0 stage 2 block, brand new, straight from Mitsubishi. I ended up going with the Wiseco pistons, Manley I-beam rods, Eagle Forged crank. You know, nothing too crazy. Balance shaft elite as well. You know, as far as the cylinder head, I went with their stage 1. I did Kigley HLA. I did Kelper 272s, GSE Beehive internals. You know, nothing too crazy, no porting, no nothing like that. Like, I'm just looking forward just to get the car back on the road. You know, can't ball out like a lot of people, but it's definitely something more than what I had when I was stock. You know, stock I was making 530 and then send a rod right through the block, but now it's time to beef it up and go from there. Almost here.